yeah, we finished fishing in Papua, right? And I mentioned that we're gonna continue fishing for giant snakehead. Two of my favorite fish, black bass, giant snakehead. Fiercest fish that I've known, that crazy for topwater. The best topwater action ever you can get is from these two fish. We had a lot of action in Papua, the black bass. Now it's time to go to Tomango or Royal. Toman's hand down is one of the best fish. If you guys want a comparison to what a Toman is, I would say it's close to the wolffish down to South America. That's how I relate it. You know, from my experience of fishing in South America, I think the wolffish comes close. We're gonna go to Tomango. Tomango is this huge lake. I would say one of the most beautiful lakes in Southeast Asia. Right after Ratchaprapa and Kanye. And yeah, it's gonna be awesome. Split into two. Got one called Royal Bloom, and then we have one which is the public side we call Tomango, right? It's gonna be awesome. I've got my boatman ready there, OP. He's standing by for it. We're gonna go there, we're gonna fish tomorrow and try to get as much footage as we can. Aerial view, I'll show you guys everything that I'll show you guys as much as I can about Royal Bloom. Royal Bloom or Tomango is still very much untouched. A lot of people still don't know about this place. Yeah, my main motive is actually to promote that place. At the same time, I want to promote the Grandmaster rods and also the fish, giant snakeheads. So yeah, let's go. Alright, so we left at about 12 o'clock. It's 5 o'clock in the morning right now. Just arrived Tomango. Water is really low. Excited. It's really good when the water is low right now, because you know it's July coming into August. Weather is supposed to be hot. This is prime time for Tomans, for giant snakeheads. So I've got two of my buddies here from Singapore. They've came all the way just to try out the Tomango's giant snakehead. We'll see how it goes. Alright, we're arriving. Moved out the houseboat. We parked here near Genting Selarang. It's about noon right now. The other guys, both Sunny and Tiong, have gone out to do some wild fishing, sight casting primarily. I'm gonna go out and try out the fish pans, put the rods out to proper test. This is gonna be just brutal stuff. All I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna keep on throwing buzz baits. When the fish take, I'm gonna thumb and I'm gonna pull that fish out of the fish pan. Giant snakeheads, they like to hang around the fish pan, and you got to cast right at the tension. Keep on casting right at the tension, and when they hear that noise, they come out and bam, they slam on that lure. But when they slam on that lure, what they do is they tend to go down back, and the nets in that fish pans are really long. They hold about 100,000 fish, 100,000 tilapias in there. So you can imagine how long they are. So the first things that the giant snake is, when they take the lure, what they do is they try to go and snag themselves to those fishing nets, and that is where you lose the battle. That is where I'm going to put the rods to test. As soon as they take, I'm going to thumb, and I'm just going to force them out of there. I'm just going to change the direction. If they're going this way, I'm going to quickly change the direction the other side. But I still got to be mindful of all those ropes holding down those fish pans. That is what we usually snap your line. Just a braided. I'm using braided line, so that's another risk. But yeah, let's see how it goes. You can go out and throw out a few lines, throw out a few casts, and see if you get anything going, huh? It's a nice fish. Tarik tepat, cetek macam ni. And then we try to let go of the fish. That's a bloody long cast. See, that's the ability of the rod. Whoa, 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 come on, come on, come on up, yep. Whoa, whoa, this is big. This is big, eh? Really big. Maybe not that big. Oh, there's another one right behind it. Alright, so ini cara saya selalu handle ikan. So just hold by the bottom, jangan jari sampai masuk insang, just like that. Kita gantung ikan je. So this way we are taking care very good of the fish. Jaga dengan baik, dia pun tak meronta-ronta. It's in calm position. Sangat relax, ikan sangat relax. But of course, kadang-kadang kita nak lepas gewang ke, kita nak bergambar ke, kita nak celup balik air ke. So you just have to be careful. Celup balik. Alright, so now oh yo. Oh, I saw the fish come out! Hey! Aduh! A cute little fish. Probably 3-4 kilos. Still, it's a nice fish. No, dia kuat. Dia akan sembuh sendiri. Kena esok lusa dia akan hantar gewang lagi.